Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. NZD USD bears looking for a run back to weekly low. http ntvforex.com news ID 0 of 441 f1 minutes ago by Ross J. Berland. NZD USD is currently trading at 0.6525 and between a range of 0.6523 and 0.6533. NBSP. The bird has been unable to break the overhead resistance on its first attempt and has instead been toying with dynamic support and resistance line in choppy price action. More on that below. Meanwhile, risk appetite. NBSP at the start of the week failed to juice NBSP any more upside in the pair despite NBSP US benchmarks making all-time record high closes. Instead, the US dollar was a touch stronger and weighed on the market. NBSP bigger picture. It looks more like a correction within a downtrend rather than the start of a proper rebound, but ETA not clear-cut, analysts at NZ Bank argued. The US COVID-19 situation remains bleak and the Fed is dovish. But the RBNZ has its foot to the floor too and is flagging negative rates. NBSP. Amid some balance, we see more the risk for the NZD as being more tilted to the downside, the analysts added. NBSP looking ahead. NBSP. The main focus will be on NBSP Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's keynote address later this week at the Jackson Hole. The theme of this year's Kansas City Fed conference is navigating the decade ahead implications for monetary policy. Given the persistent inflation undershoot, the implication of formalizing an average inflation target is that policy rates will remain lower for longer. That could help fuel further equity market gains, anchoring expectations that rates will remain at or below current levels for quite some time while also enhancing the focus on the policy toolkit and unconventional monetary policies. QE, forward guidance, the analysts at NZ Bank explained. NBSP NZD USD levels. Meanwhile, the bird has yet to make up its mind on a trajectory from a technical standpoint in choppy conditions, although a head and shoulders and price below the trend line skews probabilities into the bear's favor. There is scope to the downside, but there is not a lot of room between structures and prospects of a barroom brawl on a test of recent lows. The risk to reward is limited to 1-2 if a short is taken at market with a stop above the recent highs and head and shoulders right-hand shoulder, targeting the NBSP previous weekly low of 0.6488. A Fibonacci extension to the 0.272% of the correction of the August 19 is located at 0.6470 for a 1-3 risk to reward. NBSP overview today. Last price 0.6525 today. Daily change 0.0015 today. Daily change percent 0.23 today. Daily open 0.654. NBSP trends daily SMA 20 0.6607 daily SMA 50 0.6554 daily SMA 100 0.6346 daily SMA 200 0.6373 NBSP levels. Previous daily high 0.655 previous daily low 0.6516 previous weekly high 0.6652 previous weekly low 0.6488 previous monthly high 0.6716 previous monthly low 0.644 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 0.6537 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 0.6529 daily pivot point S1 0.652 daily pivot point S2 0.6501. Daily pivot point S3 0.6486 daily pivot point R1 0.6554 daily pivot point R2 0.6569 daily pivot point R3 0.6588 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.